another tragic development that has taken place this time in West Bengal, where a postgraduate trainee doctor was found dead inside the government-run RG Kar hospital. The Kolkata police has registered a murder case and a special investigation team has been formed to probe the incident. The victim, who was a second-year postgraduate student, was found unconscious in the seminar hall of the Medical College Hospital around 11:30 a.m. She was later declared dead. She reportedly had a late dinner on Thursday, after which she went to the hall on the third floor to study. However, she was found in an unconscious state the next morning. Visible injuries were found on the body of the trainee doctor, suggesting that she was sexually assaulted in the state-run hospital. Now, according to reports, there were injuries in her private parts: face, neck, lips, stomach, ankle and fingers. The police have meanwhile added rape and murder sections to the case and have arrested one person for his alleged involvement. Meanwhile, police sources say that the accused, Sanjoy Roy, was arrested on the basis of CCTV footage from the hospital as well as a Bluetooth device that was found on the site. Meanwhile, the incident has led to a major outcry in West Bengal, with medical students and the opposition, the BJP of course, taking to the streets. The students of RG Kar Medical College have also held a candlelight march in Kolkata seeking proper action on the incident. Meanwhile, we are tracking some breaking updates. The Indian Medical Association has now issued a very strong statement demanding immediate action in the rape and murder of the second-year postgraduate resident doctor in Kolkata. The IMA is demanding immediate action, including an impartial investigation, the arrest and punishment of the culprits, and measures to enhance the safety of doctors, especially women in the workplace. The association has given authorities a 48-hour deadline to act, threatening nationwide protests if their demands are not met. Joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Rainik Datta. Rainik, an ultimatum issued by the Indian Medical Association. They have raised demands for immediate action, including an impartial investigation, the arrest and punishment of the culprits, and measures to enhance the safety of the doctors, especially women in the workplace. With regards to the arrest in particular, we are getting to know that a Bluetooth device at that point had helped, in fact, track down the culprit, and the police had issued a list of suspects that rounded them up, and the connection of the Bluetooth device to Sanjoy Roy's phone had helped the police identify him.
एकदम देखिए, पुलिस के इन्वेस्टिगेशन में जो सामने आया है, जिसमें फॉरेंसिक रिपोर्ट और पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट जिसके आधार में पुलिस का इन्वेस्टिगेशन कहता है कि करीब 3 बजे और 6 बजे ये दो टाइम के बीच में ये पूरा हादसा घटा है। 3 से 6 बजे के अंदर मौत हुआ है सेकंड ईयर के ये लड़की को, और इसी वजह से पुलिस का इन्वेस्टिगेशन में सीसीटीवी फुटेज बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सा हुआ, क्योंकि सीसीटीवी फुटेज में जो सीसीटीवी कैमरा इंस्टॉल है 4th फ्लोर में, जिस 4th फ्लोर में सेमिनार हॉल है, उस 4th फ्लोर का जो सीसीटीवी फुटेज उसमें देखा गया कि करीब 11 बजे के आसपास ये लड़की 4th फ्लोर में पहुंचे। 4th फ्लोर में पहुंच के वो सेमिनार हॉल की तरफ जा रहा है, और उसके साथ और भी 3 कॉलीग उनके मौजूद थे, और उसके बाद देखा गया एक फूड डिलीवरी बॉय की तरफ से खाना भी डिलीवर किया गया, और खाना डिलीवर करते हुए वो चला गया। उसके बाद तीनों उनका जो कॉलीग थे, वो तीनों कॉलीग निकल गए थे करीब 2 बजे के आसपास, ऐसा ही पुलिस का कहना है। और उसके बाद देखा गया करीब 4 बजे के आसपास, सुबह 4 बजे के आसपास, ये जो संजय राय अंदर एंटर किए, मगर संजय राय जब एंटर कर रहे थे उनके गले में एक ब्लूटूथ हेडफोन था, मगर संजय राय आधे घंटे बाद जब निकला उसी टाइम में उनका गले में कोई हेडफोन नहीं था, और इसी सिलसिले में करने के टाइम में ये संजय राय को पुलिस की तरफ से गिरफ्तार किया गया। और ये भी कंफर्म है कि ये जो संजय राय और कोई नहीं, एक सिविक वॉलंटियर है जो पुलिस के लिए काम करता था। कोलकाता पुलिस का जो सिविक वॉलंटियर, वो कोलकाता पुलिस का सिविक वॉलंटियर तहत काम करता था। करीब 5 साल हो गया था ये संजय राय का, और उनका पोस्टिंग RG Kar मेडिकल कॉलेज में ही था, मगर उसी टाइम में जिस दिन ये घटना घटा उस दिन में उनका कोई ड्यूटी नहीं था RG Kar मेडिकल कॉलेज में।
Indeed, Rainik, stay on with us, because we also have Mr. Manav Jaiswal from the Trinamool Congress joining us on the broadcast this this morning. Good morning, sir. Thank you for speaking to us on NewsX. We've been tracking what's the unfortunate, the heartbreaking incident. Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
There seems to be a network issue, but we'll try to get that sorted. But we also have with us Union Minister Sukanta Majumdar with us via the phone line. Good morning, sir. Thank you for speaking to us on NewsX. Rather tragic incident has taken place in West Bengal. You had yesterday demanded a CBI probe on the matter. More unfortunate news is trickling in. The police has added rape charges as well now.
Yes, previously, according to police, it was a case of suicide. Prima facie, police have stated that. Later on, police changed their course and later on they have added the charge of murder. Now, we have been informed by the media only that police has framed it for the rape and murder. So it is a heinous crime, and even in case of postmortem, you know there is a standing verdict of the court that you cannot perform the postmortem after the sunset. But in case of this incident also, I don't know why police was in hurry and under whose instruction police was doing this kind of things. They have performed the postmortem after the sunset, that is in the evening time, which is illegal. And we are filing a writ petition, PIL for CBI investigation. We don't have any faith on the Mamata Banerjee's police.
Sir, we are also getting to know that Sanjoy Roy, the prime accused, was a civic volunteer who worked for the police. Now, this is another piece of information that sources are revealing to us. What do you make of this?
If police is involved in there, that is civic volunteers are a part of they are a part of police administration in this state. So obviously, police cannot investigate on them because their involvement is there. So I feel the first at least DCP should resign. Even in case of Nirbhaya Kand, it is almost similar to Nirbhaya Kand. So we are demanding the resignation of the CP. He should resign from his post, and not only that, we feel. According to the circumstantial evidences, the collarbone is broken, and if rape and murder happen, so it is almost impossible to commit this kind of heinous crime by only one person. We feel that more than one persons are involved in this case.
All right, sir. And last question, Mamata Banerjee has stated if needed, the accused will be hanged. She is the sole woman chief minister of India, and such a heinous crime has taken place in the capital city of West Bengal itself. What does this say about the safety of women in the state?
Safety of women, not at all, is a concern of Mamata Banerjee, because from the beginning, when Mamata came into the power in 2011, Mamata Banerjee came into the power, and from that time, several incidents happened. This kind of incident happened, but that mindset of a political party, that is TMC and Mamata Banerjee, is so that they have always tried to make a simple incident, or they have always tried to always tried to cover it up. So even in case of 2011, when the Park Street incident happened, at that time TMC said that it is not a rape case, it is a dispute between a escort service and her customer. Even in case of Hash Khali, when a minor was raped and murdered, at that time also, being a woman chief minister, Mamata Banerjee herself said that it is a kind of love affair matter, and the girl may be pregnant. So if this kind of incident happened, and this kind of insensitive statement issued by the chief minister herself, then it is, they are not at all concerned about the safety of the woman, and the safety of the woman is not at all here in state of West Bengal. After the election result, you have observed so many videos in which the woman stripped up and then beaten brutally. This kind of incidents are happening, and they are happening everywhere in the state.
All right, sir. With that, I would like to thank you for taking out time speaking to us on the broadcast this morning. It seems the connection with Mr. Manav Jaiswal has been sorted. Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
You've just heard Sukanta Majumdar speak to us. Meanwhile, Mamata Banerjee has handed over the case to an SIT. What do you think should be done immediately for the family?
First of all, good morning and namaskar to the nation. It is a very serious and a very heartwarming matter that has happened. And we as a citizen of Bengal, we as the government, we as the political party TMC, stands with the parents and the family of the victim. First of all, we have to address two things. Firstly, as Mr. Majumdar said, that this accused is a civic volunteer and he is working with the police. As the police is unable to investigate their own matters. I really, pity in the mental size of this individual. He has to say that the person who is a criminal, because he has been working with the administration, he cannot be investigated, or probably police would not investigate. Is that what you want to say? Simultaneously, I want to address another thing. Year after year, Bengal has, basically the city of Kolkata, the city of joy, has been awarded as the safest city for women, pan-India, year after year. She is unaware. We are the only state in the country which has got maximum number of women police stations in the country, which is never there anywhere. Thirdly, and most importantly, what we want to address is, see, crime has happened, right? There's no doubt about it. What did the police do? Police did not sit on the chair just thinking if this has happened, or rather we are giving statement. The police commissioner himself came up front, he took the owner, so he made a press conference, and we were able to grab the accused within 24 hours. This is what the government should do. Every government should learn from TMC, from the government of West Bengal, from the only woman chief minister in the country. Every state government should learn. This should be the case study for every government of every state, that what should be done post a crime has happened. We as a country had witnessed Hathras. We as a country had witnessed the cases of Sengar and other BJP netas, whatever it is. What do we do? We just go to the media, we talk about Nirbhaya, we talk about Hathras. What action has been taken? What was the police role in giving solace or probably standing with the victim's family? The victim body was not even handed over to the Hathras family members. She was burned by the police. The country has witnessed that. That is the result what BJP is facing today. They should not, give sermon to people about women's safety, about the woman involvement. We don't need it. We as a state, we as the followers of Mamata Banerjee, even our young leader Abhishek Banerjee has given a statement in his own constituency. He has taken our guards and he has taken Abhishek. That means he has created a WhatsApp channel, whereas if there's any crime, anything of crime which is happening, you can just go and address it there. And the political party, the government will take action on that. So we do a lot of things. In fact, the father of the victim, came out and he said, Mamata Banerjee, he believes in Mamata Banerjee. He believes in the administration. He has been approached by other political party and other political leaders for political mileage. Bengal is not fool. People out here, they're very intelligent. We respect Durga. We have Durga in every family in the state. We don't need a kind of a Ram chanting. We need Shia Ram chanting, and we have done that. And today, our whole Bengal is standing with the family of the victim. We all are there with her. The CP, Vineet Goyal sir, he's already there. Everybody is looking after it, and we are not leaving a single stone unturned. We're working on it. And I pray to God to bring strength to the family, to every friend and individual, to every member who is associated with the victim. And as far as RGK is concerned, definitely will beef up the security process, not only in RGK, other part of the state government hospitals, other places, the public places. And this is why, because there were a lot of security parameters, that is why we were able to grab this criminal within no time. He is a criminal. He is not a civic body associate. He is not a policeman. He is a criminal. A criminal can be anyone. It could be me, it could be you, it could be the judge, it could be the minister, it could be anybody. But that does not, excuse him for being a minister. He could not be investigated. For being a president of a political party, he cannot be investigated. So there is no way there is a shield. A criminal is a criminal, and he would be taken care of it. And as far as you know, Mamata Banerjee is the only woman Mukhyamantri in the country who has gone ahead and asked for a speedy trial. There have been many a times our leaders in the parliament have raised the question: bring out a bill for her speedy trial for murder and rape. Bring out a bill for women's safety. Bring out a bill for women reservation. Act on it. But this government, the BJP, the Bharatiya Janata Party, will never do it, and they just want to politicize. We don't want to do politics with this incident. We have an empathy, complete sympathy with the family. We stand with them. That's all I could say.
Speaking about, you're highlighting that the BJP is coming out on the streets just for political mileage rather than actual concern for the family. Mamata Banerjee has spoken to the family members earlier as well. Meanwhile, the BJP, their party spokesperson Shehzad Poonawalla has alleged that the inquiry committee, which has interns and members, they are close to the TMC. This is what he said in a statement. Do you think this is the time for politics rather than focusing on the probe itself?
Well, you have to talk to Shehzad. I feel pity with the kind of mental approach that he has towards anybody. I mean, this is an incident which has happened. It's a heinous crime which has happened. We are standing with the family. And now you're talking about, the committees, about the TMC or the BJP or anybody. That doesn't make any sense. There are doctors. There are people, for the postmortem, we have doctors and the other interns were there. As for the SIT committee, there's the administration. Police will do their own job. Me as a person will not go and arrest this Sanjay Roy. Police does it. So we have given a free hand to the policemen. So this has happened. One way, how contradictory it is. One way you say, you have Sushant Majumdar who come and says, they're their own people, they will not be arrested, they will not be investigated. On the other end, Shehzad comes and says there are own people. But what is actually happening? He's been arrested. Prima facie level, everything has been taken into care. He's behind bars. All the CCTV footage is there. Everything has been taken care. On top of it, we are standing as a government and as a political party. We are standing, every Karyakarta of the state is standing alongside the father of the victim. Let me make it clear. We are not BJP who would actually make a victim more deprived being an accused. Like what happened in Hathras. What happened with the Sengar case. What happened with the Chinnaswamy case. So, everything is there. It is crystal clear. It's in black and white. We don't need to go and, give our, benefit of doubt to others and all. We are there. We're standing with the family. And law will take its own course. We want, if Shehzad Poonawalla and Sukanta Majumdar, they're so worried about the women's safety and everything, bring out a bill. You have a government. You don't have a majority per se. Nevertheless, but still go ahead. Bring out a bill. We'll stand with it. Make a fast track for rape victims and the murder charges. We are standing with them. Bring out you have a women reservation bill, but you don't have a plan or proper caricature of how you're going to bring it and how much time will it take. So we don't need any sermon from these people. They can only go and give statement, a political statement. They just have to have an incident of doing that. But they cannot deny, they cannot hide that what swift action, what action did this police administration take in last few hours. You have the CP of the city coming out, going to public, going on the press meet, and bringing out every incident from top to bottom. What else do you want? What else can a government do? We can just help bring justice. And that's what we are doing. And we don't need any sermon from anyone in the country. The country, every state, every chief minister, every minister, especially from the BJP, should learn from this case study. This is how administration should work. We are not about my party or his party. We are the only political party who have gone ahead, and when we found there's a kind of a crime which has happened through Partha Chatterjee, we have sacked him. We have set principle. Mamata Banerjee leads her actions, not just by word. भाषण बहुत हुआ, काम करके दिखाइए.
All right, sir. With that, I would like to thank you for taking out time speaking to us on the broadcast. Even as we are speaking, it seems that hundreds of junior doctors and paramedics have now boycotted duty across medical colleges and hospitals in the state to demand better safety and security in state-run hospitals. The students are demanding a fair probe and an overhaul of the security system at their hospitals, where many women work through the night. My colleague Rainik Datta with us on the broadcast live. Rainik, junior doctors and paramedics are now boycotting duty across medical colleges.
एकदम देखिए, पैरामेडिकल स्टूडेंट जो है और डॉक्टर्स जो है उनके तरफ से जो प्रोटेस्ट दिखाया जा रहा है, उनमें जो डिमांड रखा जा रहा है उसके पीछे 2-3 कारण हैं। क्योंकि ये जो घटना घटा है, ये सेकंड ईयर के लड़की के साथ जो रेप एंड मर्डर का घटना घटा है, इसके पहले एक अलार्म था आरजी कॉर मेडिकल कॉलेज के लिए 2 महीने पहले। 2 महीने पहले एक रात में जब नाइट ड्यूटी कर रहे थे और एक डॉक्टर सीजीपीटी डॉक्टर जो है उनका जो नाइट ड्यूटी चल रहा था, उसी टाइम में रात को 1:30 बजे के करीब एक ड्रंक लोग अंदर घुस पड़े थे और उनके साथ मॉलेस्ट भी किए। ये घटना हायर अथॉरिटी के बोलने के बावजूद भी हायर अथॉरिटी की तरफ से कोई एक्शन नहीं लिया गया था। उसके बाद इस तरीके का घटना घटा। इसके बाद से डॉक्टर्स की तरफ से ये बॉयकॉट कर दिया गया। इमरजेंसी सर्विस चालू है, मगर दूसरा जो ट्रीटमेंट, दूसरा जो प्रोसीड्यूर वो सब बंद कर दिया गया है। और उन लोगों का डिमांड है कि रात भर जो डॉक्टर्स काम करते हैं, रात भर जो महिला डॉक्टर्स काम करते हैं, उनके लिए प्रॉपर सिक्योरिटी देना चाहिए, प्रॉपर सेफ्टी मेजरमेंट देना चाहिए और रेस्ट रूम चाहिए। क्योंकि महिला डॉक्टर के लिए जो रेस्ट रूम, वो ऐसा रेस्ट रूम का कोई बंदोबस्त ही नहीं है। आरजी कॉर मेडिकल कॉलेज सिर्फ नहीं, आरजी कॉर मेडिकल कॉलेज के अलावा जो भी सुपर स्पेशलिटी मेडिकल कॉलेज है गवर्नमेंट का, उनमें किसी भी जगह में डॉक्टर्स के लिए या महिला डॉक्टर्स के लिए कोई रेस्ट रूम का बंदोबस्त नहीं है। और इसी वजह से उन लोगों का डिमांड है कि सिक्योरिटी दिया जाए और उसके साथ साथ जो रेस्ट रूम, वो रेस्ट रूम का बंदोबस्त किया जाए। और इसी डिमांड को लेकर डॉक्टर्स की तरफ से प्रोटेस्ट दिखाया जा रहा है और जो ट्रीटमेंट प्रोसीड्यूर उसके ऊपर बॉयकॉट भी किया गया है डॉक्टर्स और जो पीजीपीटी स्टाफ से, उनके तरफ से। और ये भी बोला गया है कि इमरजेंसी सर्विस बंद नहीं रहेगा, इमरजेंसी खुला रहेगा, मगर जो प्रोटेस्ट और जो अदर्स ट्रीटमेंट, वो ट्रीटमेंट बंद कर दिया जाएगा जब तक उन लोगों का डिमांड फुलफिल नहीं किया जाएगा।
All right, Rainik, with that, I would like to thank you for joining us on the broadcast live, sharing all those details. Meanwhile, viewers, even as doctors and students are on the street protesting, the political front is heating up as well. The Bharatiya Janata Party has slammed the law and order situation in West Bengal after the alleged rape and murder case of the trainee doctor in the state-run hospital. The BJP has demanded a CBI probe into the matter. Meanwhile, as far as the CPIM is concerned, the Communist Party workers have held a rally and demanded a fair probe in this case. CPIM West Bengal State Secretary MD Salim has demanded a judicial inquiry into this matter as well.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.